Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free and powerful multiple software uninstaller for any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, what you need to do is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click here and visit to this website link. And after that you will see here below start download, just click on it, and now you will see here click here to download a portable version, and below you can see click here to download a setup version. So if you don't feel like installing on your hard disk drive, then get the portable, and if you want to install, then get the setup version. So I'm gonna get the portable version right now. So finally the download has been completed, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run this software. Wait for a few seconds. So finally the scan has been completed, and now you can see all the softwares that are being installed on my Raspberry Windows computer. So you can see tons of softwares, right? So say I want to delete multiple software using this software. So what I will do is I'll just select some softwares from here. So let me select multiple softwares. So you can see I've selected different softwares that I want to uninstall. After selecting all the softwares that you want to uninstall, what you need to do is, you can see below uninstall, just click on it. Now you can see here at the bottom automatically close all running softwares to perform the uninstallation, and one more option, automatically reboot the computer to finalize the uninstallation. So if you want to get the maximum uninstallations without leaving any data of your uninstalled softwares, then I'll highly recommend to keep it turn on both the options. But right now I'm not gonna enable both these options, just to give you an example. And after that just click on start uninstallation and just click on yes. Wait for a few seconds until the complete process is done. So finally you can see here the uninstall process is completed, and you can see here it's mentioning all done. However, you should restart your computer now to complete the process. So it's still asking to restart your process in order to remove all the leftover data of the uninstalled softwares. So you can click on OK if you're doing a same method like me, but right now I'm just canceling it. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free and powerful multiple software uninstaller for any Windows computer that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.